Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss about main points mentioned in National Education Policy 2020 for early childhood care and education. It explains the foundation of learning starts in early childhood. It says over 85% of a child's cumulative brain development occurs prior to the age of 6, indicating the critical importance of appropriate care and stimulation of the brain in the early years in order to ensure healthy brain development and growth. At present, quality early childhood care and education is not available to crores of young children, particularly children from socio-economically disadvantaged backgrounds. Strong investment in early childhood care and education has the potential to give all young children such access, enabling them to participate and flourish in the educational system throughout their lives. Universal provisioning of quality early childhood development, care, and education must thus be achieved as soon as possible and no later than 2030 to ensure that all students entering grade 1 are school ready. Early childhood care and education emphasizes flexible and inquiry based learning. They ideally consist of flexible, multifaceted, multi-level, play based, activity based, and inquiry based learning, comprising of alphabets, languages, numbers, countings, colors, shapes, indoor and outdoor play, puzzles and logical thinking, problem solving, drawing, painting, and other visual art, craft, drama, and puppetry, music, and movement. It also includes a focus on developing social capacities, sensitivity, good behavior, courtesy, ethics, personal and public cleanliness, teamwork, and cooperation. The overall aim of early childhood care and education will be to attain optimal outcomes in the domains of physical and motor development, cognitive development, socio emotional, ethical development, cultural, artistic development, and the development of communication and early language, literacy, and numeracy. National Curricular and Pedagogical Framework for Early Childhood Care and Education. A national curricular and pedagogical framework for early childhood care and education for children up to age of 8 will be developed by NCERT in two parts, namely a sub-framework for 0 to 3 years old and a sub-framework for 3 to 8 year old. Aligned with the above guidelines, the latest research on early child care and education and national international best practices. Educational institutions. The overarching goal will be to ensure universal access to high quality ECCE across the country in a phased manner. Special attention and priority will be given to districts and locations that are particularly socio-economically disadvantaged. Early childhood care and education shall be delivered through a significantly expanded and strengthened system of early childhood education institution consisting of stand-alone Anganwadis. Anganwadis co-located with primary schools. Pre-primary schools or sections covering at least age 5 to 6 years co-located with existing primary schools. Stand-alone preschools. All the educational institutions mentioned above would recruit workers or teachers specially trained in the curriculum and pedagogy of early childhood care and education. Anganwadi centers plays very important role for early childhood care and education. For universal access to ECCE, Anganwadi centers will be strengthened with high quality infrastructure, play equipment, and well trained Anganwadi workers or teachers. Every Anganwadi will have a well ventilated, well designed, child friendly, and well constructed building with an enriched learning environment. Children in Anganwadi centers shall take activity field tours and meet the teachers and students of their local primary schools in order to make the transition from Anganwadi centers to primary schools a smooth one. Anganwadis shall be fully integrated into school complexes, clusters, and Anganwadi children, parents, and teachers will be invited to attend and participate in school and school complex programs and vice versa. Introduction of preparatory class or Bal Bhatika. It is envisaged that prior to age of 5, every child will move to a preparatory class or Bal Bhatika, that is before class 1, which has an early childhood care and education qualified teacher. The learning in preparatory class shall be based primarily on play-based learning with a focus on developing cognitive, affective, and psychomotor abilities and early literacy and numeracy. The midday meal program shall also be extended to the preparatory classes in primary schools. Health checkups and growth monitoring that are available in the Anganwadi system nowadays shall also be made available to preparatory class students of Anganwadi as well as of primary schools or Bal Bhatika. Preparation of teachers for early childhood care and education. To prepare an initial cadre of high quality ECC teachers in Anganwadis, current Anganwadi teachers and workers will be trained through a systematic effort in accordance with the curricular and pedagogical framework developed by NCERT. Anganwadi workers teachers with qualifications of 10 plus 2 and above shall be given a 6-month certificate program in early childhood care and education. With lower educational qualifications shall be given a 1-year diploma program covering early literacy, numeracy, and other relevant aspects of early childhood care and education. These programs may be run through digital or distance mode using DTH channels as well as smartphones, allowing teachers to acquire ECC qualifications with minimal disruption to their current work. The ECCE training of Anganwadi workers or teachers will be mentored by cluster resource centers of the school education department, which shall hold at least one monthly contact class for continuous assessment. In the longer term, state governments shall prepare cadres of professionally qualified educators for ECCE through state-specific professional training, mentoring mechanisms, and career mapping. Necessary facilities will also be created for the initial professional preparation of these educators and their continuous professional development. Introduction of Ashram Shalas. Early childhood care and education will also be introduced in ashram shalas in tribal dominated areas and in all formats of alternative schooling in a phased manner. The process of integration and implementation of ECCE in ashram shalas and alternative schoolings will be similar to that detailed above. Next is early childhood care and education curriculum and pedagogy. The responsibility for ECCE curriculum and pedagogy will lie with Ministry of Human Resource Development to ensure its continuity from pre-primary school through primary school and to ensure due attention to the foundational aspects of education. The planning and implementation of early childhood care and education curriculum will be carried out jointly by the Ministries of HRD, Women and Child Development, Health and Family Welfare, Tribal Affairs. A special joint task force will be constituted for continuous guidance of the smooth integration of early childhood care and education into school education. The National Education Policy 2020 could transform early childhood education if it is implemented effectively. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing for my channel. Thank you.